Hello everybody, it's Becca at So Darn Twisted, and I'm going to give you an update on my new Gothic journal, which is this close to being finished, but I'm impatient and I couldn't wait. So I've done a little bit more work here on the spine and changed the decoration ever so slightly, and added a couple more bits and pieces into there. And as you can see now, the cover is on, which needed doing. And then we have a nice clip fastener at the front with this little fleur-de-lis seal, lots of little charms and dangles that I've made, you know, things like that. So when we break it open, let's have a little look. So as I mentioned before, if you haven't seen the last video, this is a journal card which enables you to write on pages in the journal without the things behind interfering, like pockets and such. So very, very useful little thing to have. And then we've got tags and some of my Halloween notebooks, Gothic-y notebooks in there. A lot of this is from my Gothic kits, which are in my Etsy shop and on my Ko-fi, which are both linked. So they're two different sets, but you'll see them sort of intermingled throughout the journal. These are original character artwork made by my husband, Sean's Scribblings. So he drew those and the frames and everything for me to be able to use in the journal. So it's completely original artwork, which is really nice to have. We've got a little pop-out journaling spot there. And then we've got, oh, I forgot about this one. We have this little thingy going on there, and a bit of an experiment with a kind of specimen slide, which I thought came out really well. I was really happy with that. Yeah, pockets. There's always pockets. Paper clips. Lots of charms. Another little journaling spot card there, and my little lace fan. What have we got? More of the notebooks. There's a few of those kind of scattered throughout the journal. If you haven't already seen the UK swap challenge in the Junk Journals for Beginners by a beginner group that I runs the UK swaps for, this is part of the swap for September, is to create this matching ephemera. There's 3 pieces, that's 2 of them, and one is on the next page or the page after that. So that's 2 of them. And then second signature, we have a nice little concealed paper clip up there, little pocket there that I haven't put anything in yet. There's a few finishing touches I still need to make to this before it's ready to go up for sale. But it's not much, there's just a couple of little bits and pieces. And that's the 3rd piece of the matching ephemera there, which is the little notebook. These are some of the pockets from my kit, one of my kits in there. So they're lovely little pockets just to stash into tuck spots and like, however you please. Now, what have we got there? We've got the envelope with one of the journaling cards from the kit. And then if we just pull that off of there, we have a nice little hidden journaling space in there, which I thought was kind of cool. And then obviously a nice little lace butterfly under there. Tags again, pockets and tags come from the kits. I made this one into a tuck spot with another one of those pockets in. And then again from the kits, just a little pocket and a tuck spot. And oh, turn it over. More things from the kits there. I like to put lots of journaling cards in to my journals because I think it's great to just be able to take things out and doodle and then, you know, put them back. Happy days. So That's again from one of the kits. This one I'm going to add a little something more to here yet, so not sure what yet. A couple of little pockets here. Obviously more charms, little bits and pieces. Another little notebook that you can hang if you wanted to from something. So we'll just pop that back in there. More paper clips because I love making paper clips. This is one of my favourite parts of the entire journal actually, because I absolutely love Poe. So what I've done here, a little bookmark as well, I've made out of the bookmarks, I've just made little pockets there, and then with this bit of my kit, this beautiful little raven, I've made that into the, again, a concealed paper clip, but I've got the entire poem of the raven here. So, you know, yeah, I kind of like that. That's one of my favourites, I have to say. So it just tucks away quite nicely there. And then I'm going to change the lace on this one. I think this lace is a little bit bulky, so, you know, that's going to change. But again, more journaling spots and more pockets. This one actually, I love this. I love this. It's so lovely. This comes open into a hidden journaling spot. Again, from the kits. Another little paper clip up there. These are a couple of pages that I will be adding something to. I'm not sure what yet, but that's just one of those little finishing touches I still need to do. Then we've got a little flappy pocket thing on the go there. Who doesn't love a flappy pocket, am I right? More pockets, a little file folder pocket in there, another one of the notebooks and the journal cards, and these are also from the kit, one of the kits. Another paper clip, little, as I was saying about that last one, little hanging notebook, which I think is kind of cute, just sort of popped up there. That's from the masterboard that I've made from some of the materials I've used throughout the journal. Another pocket here. And we're getting there now, we're getting there now. This one is, it actually wasn't what I'd intended to make, but you know, I'm okay with it. So it's just a little to hide your, well, to store some spare journaling papers, you know, that kind of thing. But then I need to possibly work on a better closure system for this one because it's a little bit stiff. It would ease up with use, but it's a little bit stiff at the moment. And that's just a little flappy pocket paper clip. More pockets with things. Thought I'd try making a Gothic specimen card there as well, you know, why not? And this one, if I just pull this down a little bit, this has the little hidden, well, semi-hidden, because you can see the pull tab, but, and I can never do that, there we go. So it's only semi-hidden. This one's just a loaded pocket, you know, just absolutely full of bits and pieces. Tutorial for that one is up on the channel. Another pocket going on here. Another one, another little journal card on the go. More paper clips. More journaling card. And last but not least, another little tuck pocket there. So yeah, other than the finishing touches, that's this one done. It's taken me a few weeks of working on pretty much nothing else apart from the odd tutorial. When I've been able to craft, this is what I've been doing. So yeah, it's going to be ready to go very soon, and I hope that you guys like it. And I had really great feedback from the first flip through that I did when I just sort of got it rolling a little bit. So yeah, thanks for looking at the This Is It Now video. Any questions or comments, I would love it, let me know. Thumbs up if you like the journal, brilliant. If you don't subscribe, please do. You can find my free printables over on my Ko-fi, for which there's some of the little notebook, little Halloween notebook. There's a free printable for that over there. and lots of other stuff you can go and help yourself to as well. So links are in the description and at the end of the video. And until I see you in the next one, guys, take care, happy crafting.